While yours is cooking, you're going to saute it in there. I'm going to start on lobster roll on this side.
Oh, good.
And I'm using those hot dog rolls. You know, when I work at Howard Johnson, we used to have a lobster roll and it was done in there, you know.
So we're going to have the real Howard Johnson one.
Yes.
That's
so
great.
we're going to saute that into butter. And what I have here, we're going to do 2 lobster rolls, one cold, one hot. And I have lobster pieces here, just in melted butter. You have to eat them up slowly so they don't get tough.
Now I'm going to put my sandwich in here.
And that's cooked. Do you press it as it cooked?
I always press it down a little bit. So that just has to brown rather lightly on the other side.
Good. So I continue with mine. I'm putting some cracked pepper here.
Good. That's all butter in there.
Yeah, cracked pepper and lemon juice.
And this is the way they did it at Howard Johnson.
The way I remember it. Yes.
I hope they still do it that way.
No, I doubt it. And I'm going to add a little bit of tarragon, which probably wasn't there, but I love tarragon. Here it is. And just keep it warm this way, just until you put it into the bread.
I'm turning my sandwich now, but you have to be very careful that you don't get it brown too much on the bottom.
Well, I'm going to turn the lobster roll, which are nice and brown.
That's a good idea, browning it. I like that.
On both sides, you know, so it kind of warm up the center, but it stays soft in the center.
Now this is interesting. When you do it in the frying pan, the cheese never melts. I've looked this up over a lot of places, and nobody had a good idea except an old copy of Joy of Cooking. And she said, put it in a 300-degree oven, which means that you can make a whole lot of these, put them on a cookie sheet, and then put them in the oven, and the cheese would melt. This only needs 3 or 4 minutes.
3 or 4 minutes, okay. Well, mine is cooking all right in there,
We'll try to remember. Now,
we go on with the cold lobster roll, and here they are ready now on each side, and I want to keep them right here. They're nice, warm. So, this one here, I thought we put the lobster. You want to give me a little bit of mustard and a little bit of mayonnaise in there? I like to put a little bit of ketchup also. She's like
too much.
A cocktail sauce, you know, a little bit. And I'll do a little bit of celery, chopped celery in there. Not much. 1 or 2 tablespoons maybe at the most.
I'll put about 2 tablespoons of mayo in there.
Okay, here it is. I think maybe I'll give you a little bit of shallot or onion, you know.
This is much nicer and fancier than the ones I've usually had.
Well, no, along the sea, you know, in Connecticut, we have that. It's kind of classic in summer. I don't know if they put shallot, maybe not.
Have it up in Maine, up in Maine, but they don't put as many nice things as this in it. That was wonderful.
Good.
There you are.
And cracked pepper. Cracked pepper all the time.
I think we probably should taste it.
Yes. To extend it, what we do is a little
lemon.
bit... Lemon, okay. That's a good idea. I had lemon somewhere here. Good. So I put some shredded lettuce. Give it a bit of a texture inside, and it also extends it, you know?
That's extending it. That's a good restaurant trick, isn't it?
No, but it's good.
It's good, too. It gives it a little crunch.
Shall we check on your croque monsieur before
Yes.
we finish this? I'll get it and look at mine, too. Yeah. Oh, this is hot, so I won't put it on this.
Yes, the cheese is... I think cheese is melted enough. How about yours?
More mine will take another 10 minutes, you know.
No, well, let us plate mine and we'll see how we like it. I think this is very rich. You could actually serve just one would go for 2 people.
Yeah, look at that.
That looks
beautiful.
That's lovely. Or you could make a lot of them and cut them into quarters as an hors d'oeuvre.
That's good. Now we're going to do the cold lobster roll, and this is the one with the lettuce right in the center here. You know, lobster is great in summer. I can't wait when summer comes to New England, you know.
Serve them in the winter times.
In the winter too, but the lobster are expensive in the winter, much more than in summer. And in this one, the hot one, I like to put like, you know, we line it up with a bit of lettuce like this, and then we put the hot lobster in there.
And that's just butter.
Just plain butter with a little bit of tarragon and lemon juice, you know, inside. And we have to be just generous with the butter here. And that's it. This is fit for a king, you know.